last letter skip. Oh my god. Okay. Let's break that down. That was so interesting. 485. Okay, so I got 2 new oh my god, sorry. Basically, I got 2 new cubes. One of them is the Angstrom worm, and the other is the Celeritas version. I really like the worm, and it's my main, so I set it up. I bought like 2 premium versions, and I just got a 4 on this Angstrom version while breaking it in. Like, this is so good. Okay, I feel like I need to break this down. I have a block right here on white and corresponding to this edge. So 1, 2, 3, 4 cross edges. Solve this to here with this block, like so, and then solve that in the back. D2 and cancel into that edge and this edge together. I also noticed this paired inspection, so I just immediately did that. And now I just noticed these 2, and I noticed these blocks. So it's kind of like a knee-jerk reaction to just do this. It's kind of intuitive. You know, like, I don't need to think about this. I wouldn't want to do that. I just, you know, would just sledge it. And this last pair, I just, you know, it's like GSS. Ideally, I would have done this, but in the solve, I would just, I was not really thinking that much. I just rotated and then did that into the back. Like that, these 2 solutions, like these 2 pairs, might seem like a bit advanced, but I just got a last layer skip. Like, is stupid. Basically, the last 2 pairs, it's like F sexy F prime. FRU F prime, like a Jada McNeil concept. Basically, the solve looks like that. Last letter skip. That is ridiculous. Okay. Oh my god. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this solve plus breakdown. This is probably gonna be my main. So thanks. Bye.